A rare snowstorm has hit Rome, causing chaos across the city. The capital hasn't seen snowfall in years, so a few inches on February 26th was enough to bring the city to a standstill. Major tourist attractions such as the Colosseum and the Roman Forum were closed. The city's transport network also came to a halt and schools were shut. Authorities even called in the army to help clear the streets. New sources say the snowfall is the heaviest the city has seen at this time of year in decades. And because the city is not equipped to deal with it, authorities advise residents to stay indoors. Vatican priests, however, were filmed playing out in the snow at St. Peter's Square. Experts say the cold snap has come over from Siberia and has also hit Germany, Russia and the UK. It is expected to continue throughout the week. For United News International, I'm Rachel Latham.